Morning, everybody.
Morning.
This is
Morning.
a bit cray-cray.
Yeah. Oh, let us through. No. No, yes, they are.
Drive safe, Babski
I
Bab.
know, man. This is going to be weird. Got to pay attention to
I know.
how they work on the road. Right, so that's not his right of way. That's our right of way because he's got a line, I think.
Well, he stopped, so.
It's always a good sign, right? Straight up, follow the van.
All right, hooligan.
Yeah, he wasn't going anywhere.
Is your bag going forward?
No, not at the moment, but I've tied it like to the back of my seat.
Oh, yeah, that's a good shout.
Actually, my glove is a bit damp as well. Oh, I can put
Beep.
knee grips on! Ah! One of them that is wet, the other one's dry. On the road again! Is my luggage looking solid today?
Yeah, there are actually. I think mine's looking solid as well, but it just keeps bloody moving forward, and I knew I should have taken that bloody what do you call it?
The thing in me, what's it?
Yeah, that's the one. Mine says turn right, yeah.
There is no right.
Not this right, but next
Yeah,
right.
no, mine says that as well.
Alright, okay. I just saw a traffic light and I thought there was going to be a right, but it isn't a right.
Well, I'm glad you're not in the lead. Mine says
Alright.
in 500 metres.
Beep.
Woo!
Oh shit, I gotta edit that bit out.
Why?
We can't swear too much, otherwise bloody YouTube's gonna take the content down. Beep. Jesus Christ.
Yeah! No, wait, there is definitely a speed limit.
Right, okay.
If there is any.
Beep. Alright. They're making me scared, banana!
You're very mental!
I'm very scared! Woo!
God, I'm like tingling.
I'm like shaking. Is it my bike or is it me? It's me. Oh, those things are massive.
Massive. Can you imagine trying to get that, a container ship like that out?
Oh no! Jesus! And they look tiny here, but they're absolutely huge.
Yeah, they're enormous.
500 metres.
Wow, that's a little weird thing
To
to
stay
see.
on A7.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Oh, Germany! Oh, now we're going into Denmark.
Wave, Hannah.
Oh, waving. Sail. How much is the fuel here? Oh, even cheaper! Oh,
Nice.
what the friggledy diggledy? 173? No, oh, 17 point... Wait, are we not in euros anymore?
Your destination is on the right.
Beautiful.
Amazeballs, right.
Or accommodation for the... Oh, there's a garage here, or is it the
Yeah,
one?
it's here. It's literally just here. This is it here.
Okay. Love it. Morning, everyone. It is 10 o'clock. Bloody hell. Is it 10 o'clock? Anyway.
Continue on Relay Landivo for 2
We're off to
kilometers.
the Atlantic coast because we can't pronounce the name.
There's a petrol station up here, Bubs.
Yeah. And we are just leaving Tonder. Hopefully hopefully we're pronouncing it right.
How do we get
Tonder,
into this
Tonder,
thing?
Tonder. Oh.
Oh, it looks shut, doesn't it? Let's give it a go. Oh, yeah, a little car park in it. There we go. It's cute. Oh, that's sweet.
What is that sign? Oh, okay, got it.
It's a car park in the trees. Oh no, the one where they managed to get. It's like, oh, is it? Oh, no, no. Amazing. So a big
Yeah,
thing
really
there.
pretty. Oh, he had his legs out and everything. It was like
We have some
oh, we have
traffic.
to. Oh, I was just gonna say we haven't had any traffico in ages.
It's always the way. Oh, look at us, look where we come.
I'm braking. I'm
So you are sorry, I was scared
braking.
of the cows.
That's why I thought I'd say I'm braking. Hannah is rubbernecking the cows. She is rubbernecking the cow.
Oh my days. Not like that though. Dear. Camera on!
Afternoon. Oh, look at this.
Afternoon. Oh.
We have just passed a village called Humlum. And we're just.
It's
Oh, this is
beautiful.
nice.
Isn't
We
this
just-
nice?
Well, we're just saying actually, we've done so many motorways to get up here that this last 3 hours of a journey has probably been the nicest scenery we've seen so far.
Yeah.
All the S's, scenery,
All the
scenery,
S's.
scenery.
Yeah,
And
it's
we're
really
going to go
nice.
over a wee little bridge.
Oh, is that, are we going over that bridge, are we?
Yeah, we are. And here we are, people. Slaughter a badger.
Is that what it's called?
Oh.
I love a good slaughter badger.
This is rather weird. Like, this just looks like a housing estate rather than a camping zone type area.
What is this, a housing estate?
I don't know.
Right, where do we go? We go left up here anyway, I'm guessing. Oh, look, cafe. Closed. What else?
Left
there it
here?
is. It's in- I guess so, yeah. Yeah, there it is.
What in here?
A bit further on, I would. Just where the barrier is. Keep going straight a little bit longer and then go left here. Don't forget you're on the right hand side.
Yeah. Well, no one said about bloody.
Do you want me to jump off and... Oh no, you're alright. Do you want me... Let's do it.
We're going left.
Yeah.
Hope there's no one-way system around it.
Nah, there won't be. Right. Oh, it's too bright, dude.
Oh, hello.
Mountain bikers! Push the bump. And then we can pitch up there, so park over here.